Hey guys, what's up? Spenny here. So in today's video, I got two MJ penny stocks for you. I've recommended both of these stocks in the past. These are multi-bagger stocks. In fact, I've already multi-bagged on my investment in both of these stocks. However, one of them has recently corrected and I see very good upside right now. So it's a great time to initiate a position. Not financial advice, just a good opportunity in my opinion. Anyways, before we do get into this video, make sure to drop this video a big thumbs up if you like it. And feel free to subscribe if you want to see more content like this. I do try to find great opportunities in the market for you guys. First company I want to talk about is CBDMD, ticker symbol is YCBD. It's currently trading at around $4 a share. It actually shot up about 11% today before me filming this video. So kind of unfortunate, but still great buying opportunity. I want to show you guys a few things with this company. So the first thing is its market cap. It's only about a $200 million company, extremely small. This is definitely a penny stock. And if you look below the market cap, there's the beta. So the beta is 1.79. This means it trades almost double as volatile as the typical S&P 500. So if it had a beta of 1, it trades with the market. This is obviously almost double the 1, so it's very volatile. But that can create massive gains if you time it right. So the way I look at this company, I've been in and out of this stock a couple times because it trades very predictable, and I'll get into that in a second. But this is a $500 million company in my opinion. This will be a $10 stock probably within the next year and a half. It's just inevitable. It's recently saw a big correction that I want to show you guys in a second here. So if we look at the chart here, I want to show you how predictable this stock actually has been trading and how I've been in and out of the stock very successful. So you can see it always dramatically increases up to its earnings date and then it pulls back heavily. Just recently, it went on an absolute short squeeze. Wall Street Bets did get into the stock. It pushed it higher than it should have, and I got out near the peak because I noticed what was going on. Plus, I knew that earnings were coming up, and just the way the stock has always traded, it's always pulled back. So after the just recent earnings, we've seen a massive correction in this stock. If you can get in the stock anywhere around $4, you have very limited downside in my opinion, speaking from fundamentals at least, and lots of upside. Like I said, this should be a $500 million company, so around $10 a share. Right now would be the perfect time to get in my opinion, because we are months away from earnings, and I do expect this stock just to gradually rise to the next earnings date. Previously, this stock has been beating expectations, so it's not like they are having bad earnings by any means. They're actually performing really well, and this is one of the top CBD companies in my opinion. Definitely one of the best quality ones out there. So they won 2021 Product of the Year. And they charge a lot for their products, but they are tested to be like 99% pure CBD, super high quality. You can see here they do charge quite a bit for their products. So this is for people who want actual high-end CBD stuff. That's what I like. That's how you get those good profit margins, and you create some good shareholder value. Just recently though, they did expand into the botanicals. So this is CBD for skin, mask, body. This is a very new, so this is definitely another growth driver that in the previous earning reports, we haven't really seen the impact of this. This came out about a month ago, I believe. So that's a good growth driver they have. Another one is actually their pets lineup. So their pets lineup is growing very fast. Massive potential in CBD pets. People love their pets and they want to give their pets weird stuff like CBD, believe it or not. It's actually really rapidly growing. So this is another high growth driver for this company. And yeah, this company is growing fast. Like if we look back in 2017, we generated around 4 million sales. Fast forward to now, about 44 million in sales. So it's growing like a weed. This stock is very high growth right now. So you can make some pretty fast gains as long as this continues, and I do believe it will continue. And fairly low risk as far as bankruptcy. If we actually look at its cash to debt, we have about 30 million of cash on the balance sheet, only 8 million in debt. So this is a very e-commerce focused company, but they also sell their products in store as well. So yeah, low risk in my opinion, as long as they keep on growing, which I don't think is going to be an issue. And analysts have an average price target of $6. The only reason it's honestly trading below $6 right now is from that massive pullback after earnings and the whole Wall Street bets getting into the stock. And actually, Wall Street bets got into just about every cannabis stock out there. I hold a few, and all of them surged up, and they came back down once they were, once they made their pump and dump. So that is, that's out, and it's healthy for the stock. I hate when people are trying to pump a stock up. It always dumps after. It's a waste of time for long-term holders. But it's actually created even a better opportunity to buy in right now. I don't actually think this stock would have corrected down to $4 if it wasn't for that pump and dump. So if you've missed this stock previously, really good opportunity to get in my opinion. Not financial advice though, just my opinions, guys. And they are growing pretty well. So they're anticipating 25% growth this year, 17% next year. Now, historically, this has always been wrong. They've always grown faster than what they're anticipating. And that's probably because there's only 2 analysts here. So they just, they don't know the company very well. This company is growing a lot faster than this, and they keep on beating expectations. So I expect that's going to be the case in the future as well. Now, I want to move on to the next stock for you guys. So this is Fire and Flower. Ticker symbol is FAF.TO. Now, this is a Canadian company that I have recommended back in the day a few months ago. And again, with this one, it is a very small company, market cap of 310 million. And extremely volatile. Its beta is 2.38. So this is definitely even a more speculative stock than YCBD. So if you're going to invest in this one, I would treat it as a very small position, toss money in it, kind of forget about it. That's at least how I'm treating it. Again, not financial advice. It's really high risk in my opinion, but it's done extremely well since I've bought into it, and I'll show you guys, what I've made in a second here. This is super high growth stock, growing faster than just about any other cannabis stock out there right now. So they're expecting 140% growth this year, 74% next year, and this is going to be accurate. This company, the reason why there's quite a bit of risk, they're taking on massive amount of debt. So they are retail focused, and they're building retail stores all across Canada. Like, I think they grew like 40 or 50 retail stores just in Ontario last year. So they're putting up stores like crazy, and naturally it's going to create a lot of debt. However, I'm bullish on it because I think this space they're in is it's almost recession proof, and it's just, there's so much tailwinds behind this entire space over the next 10 to 20 years even. So I don't think they're going to have a problem servicing that debt. But you understand, there's risk here for sure, but super high growth, trades at a fairly low multiple, so a lot of upside in my opinion, even from here. Average price target on it is $1.92. I don't hold any weight to this in my opinion. Just not enough analysts, not enough people to understand the business, but it is below where analysts are saying, so that is a positive at least. And so the nice thing about this company that really got my attention is that they're associated to Couche-Tard. And I'll get into Couche-Tard in a second, but just recently there was a big catalyst that Couche-Tard exercised their warrants, and this caused the stock to go up a lot. And I was anticipating this was going to happen. And if you don't know what Couche-Tard is, they're a massive Canadian convenience store. They're actually international, but they're based out of Canada, more on the East Coast. But a massive company that has a majority stake in Fire and Flower. So they're backed by this company that I love, and kind of like what they're envisioning, you can imagine. They're envisioning having these convenience stores of Couche-Tard and a Fire and Flower shop beside it. That way people, they go and get their MJ, they get their snacks, and it's a really beautiful business plan they have here. And yeah, I like that they're backed by this company. So, they're not super speculative in that sense. And it's a good sign that Couche-Tard exercised their warrants, so things are going the way I want them to go. And I did recommend the stock a few months ago when it was trading at about 76 cents-ish. Since then, we've doubled. We've doubled in a few months, so whoever bought, hopefully you held so far because you would have doubled your money. I think there's definitely a lot more upside even from here. They're still expanding a lot into British Columbia. They've barely entered the market here, and BC is one of the bigger provinces in Canada, so definitely a lot of growth ahead of this company. And Couche-Tard, like I said, is international. So I will be watching this company closely and see their international expansion plans. If Canada goes well, I think you can expect this company to start getting international as well. So who knows what the upper price limit for the stock is. You know, like with CBDMD, I think 500 million market cap is a fair valuation for the future. This company, I honestly have no idea. This could be a $1 billion company. It could be 10 billion. It could be 50 billion. It's way too soon to tell. It's just in its infancy. So yeah, guys, anyways, those are the two stocks that I want to present to you in today's video. Now, they are very high risk, high reward, so keep that in mind if you are going to enter position. I would treat it just as a speculative position within your portfolio. But yeah, I'm invested in both of them, and so far it's gone very well. But yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure to drop it a big thumbs up. Really appreciate that, and I'll see you guys in the next video.